This person's reached a breaking point. Like, do you guys turn back and go back into the bad situations that pushed you to your breaking point, or do you like leave? I walk away. Good morning, everyone. It's Wednesday morning. Rise and shine. I have a live video to do now. It's like 9:30. I started a bit late. Didn't know what to do with my hair and what to wear, but I eventually found something. You guys can interact with me more on my live videos, and I really enjoy reading comments, getting feedback, and just being there with you guys during this time. So the idea is to make a healthy breakfast this morning. I'm going to be doing like some sort of brownie mug or cake mug or something like that. I've never tried it before. I just hope it turns out good, because then I know that you guys will laugh at me. So you know what time it is. Breakfast time. Let's go. My little notes here. I'm gonna write down the recipe now. Gotta make sure I have like everything set up. Squishy muffins. Oh, look at those sleepy faces. Look at how sweet. Booga booga, what's up with you, baby? You sleepy? You had a long rough night? They're so exhausted. I love them so much. Okay guys, I'm finished with the live. I like how the mug thing came out. Microwave the mixture too much. I have to tidy up. I just wanted to talk about my breaking point a little bit. My circle is very tight and small. The only persons I interact with, immediate families. That's it. Mom, dad, my doggies, my sis, my bro. And I also have a friend from China I still talk to sometimes. And that's about it. Of course, you guys are there as well. People come and go from my life constantly, because it's just that the energy is always not positive. And honestly, I believe that if you surround yourself with negative energy or bad energy, it's going to affect you in the long run. So I just have not met the group of persons or person here who can uplift me and give me positive energy and help me to strive to be a better version of myself and accomplish all my goals, and vice versa. It always has to be a two-way street, guys. Two-way. I always think that I put out too much energy, and it definitely drains me in the long run. So I just reach a point that is my breaking point, when I just cut ties with everyone. Because honestly, I don't need a guy. Don't get me wrong, but I don't need one in my life. I want one. So there's a difference. Who's gonna be there for the rest of my life and provide me with that energy that I want to get in a relationship? I have been through so much that I know when it's time to walk away. If it's not mutual, I'm definitely not gonna stick around. It does actually take a while for me to reach that point, because I do give chances. If you keep accepting a certain behavior from someone that is negative or that's not good for your health and has a bad impact on who you are, then the person will continue to do it, because it's like you're reinforcing that it's okay and you're accepting it. So I have dog food and the stuff cooking, and I just got with some baby boy. I miss him so much. Some curry chicken.
Okay, I don't know who needs to hear this right now, but here is the best dating advice I've ever gotten. If he likes you, you'll know. If he doesn't, you'll be confused.
All businesses are online right now, and that's the best thing to do, guys. It's time to edit my video vlog. Now that you guys actually have to be around persons you're in lockdown with all the time, how are you guys making out? Share opinions without attacking somebody. That's the trick. And if you have nothing good to say, probably just keep it to yourself. That might work too. Alrighty guys, my video vlog is uploaded on YouTube. Go check it out, as well as Facebook. You know where it is. I made curry egg, and I just discussed 2 facts about me that you may or may not know. Wait for it, go! Gucci, 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 Gucci. The treachery. Another beautiful day. Playtime with the cutie pies. Good boy. Squish. What's that they looking at? Nope. Psych. Booga booga. It's time for dinner. Yummy, yummy.
What this COVID-19 person wants people to know. 100% bedridden for 2 weeks. I am lucky to be alive. And she continues, stay in your house.
We are and continue to be in very unusual and difficult times.
So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Sleep well. Remember guys, eat healthy, stay healthy, be happy.